So, Trash to Treasure is next Saturday, May 14th. The early bird tickets are on sale now at the Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber of Commerce is located at 238 Market Street here in Bloomsburg, and tickets are on sale from 9 to 4. Why would you need an early bird ticket? We sell through the Trash to Treasure a lot of computers. We have desktops, we have laptops, and we do have Macs, although it's a limited amount. If you are interested in a computer, then an early bird ticket is probably what you're going to want to get. Come in here and get the early bird ticket, and then the day of the event, you can come anytime. Some people will be camped out to the fairgrounds, and just wait until we start giving out numbers. So it's a first come first serve. The first person in line gets number 1, and then on through, and you come back at 8 o'clock. The first person in line is the first person to look at the computers and so on. And